This is part three of our portfolio series. As you can see, we made a portfolio website using ChatGPT. So we're going to go back, ChatGPT, put in a new prompt, revise the code with a focus on making a usable portfolio website using Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is a library that you can use to add styles to your code without having to create these long pages or generate these long pages of CSS. Um, So we're gonna go and we're gonna go to the website, Tailwind CSS. And it's very important when you use a library, use something that you read through the code, you read through the documentation that they have so that you can understand what you're doing, what you're adding. Here's some more documentation. Read through that. But for right now, we're gonna let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for the purpose of this tutorial. It's already generated some code for us. And so now we're only going to have an index.html because the CSS will be included in the index.html using Tailwind CSS. So we're going to copy that and make sure that we read through everything, understanding what we're adding. We're not just adding code without understanding. I've already copied and pasted. And I'm reading through everything, make sure it looks good. I deleted everything out of style.css. Triple checking at this point. And now I'm gonna refresh the page and I'm gonna open it up in a browser so that I can get a good look at it. And here we go. This is our updated portfolio site. We got our name, we got our about me sections, we have our projects and a contact me section with the email and LinkedIn. And within under 2 minutes, we've made a portfolio website. Follow me for more tutorials.